Hey guys, it's Aurora back with another video. I'm playing with Gorilla. This is him right here. Potco, baby. That's what we play. He wanted this stream really bad. But he couldn't. Okay. You wanna just come to me. I'm gonna get a haircut. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't look like I'm a bald-headed freak. No! This might not be it's kind of a kid friendly. Oh, God, baby. Oh, baby. You sure? I don't think he's here yet. Oh God! Can you decline this shit? That thing? Thank you for my haircut. Okay, I look so ugly. I look so... So guys, Gorilla, he's over there for you, but for me, he's right over there. Or wait, no, yeah, it's over there for him. Where do you get him? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. That's a tattoo shop. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. I got a tattoo. Here, can you stay near the tattoo place? I'm gonna go to it. Come in. Up into here. You guys, we're gonna be talking on Discord when we play potco. I'm at my house. Okay, here. I'm gonna go get myself a tattoo. I'm gonna get an arm tattoo. Oh my God. Tattoo parlor. I get a tattoo here? No. But this girl has to do it. This is so weird. Okay, guys. You can get an arm tat. What are you talking about? Yeah. Oh yeah, man. I want a huge one. Oh heck yeah, this is total. You guys, I need to move. Wow, that's stupid. You can't even see it. Oh, that sucks. I just wasted my money. My tattoo that you can't even see. So guys, I'm gonna head out on my ship since I don't have a quest to do. You wanna join my ship? Oh guys, I'm gonna see what quest is doing.
I will.
My video is only gonna be like 9 minutes long. You get or 10. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thanks for watching. Aurora, see you tomorrow.